Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Do not grieve for that which is lost. Silence is the sign of nobility and fruit of intelligence. Action without knowledge is misguidance. Jealousy gives rise to depression. A person is hidden under his tongue. Give even when you have little. Reduce your speech and you will be safe from the blame. Eating less food is more honorable for the soul and makes good health last longer. Take only what you need, the rest is only a burden. A prayer is more powerful than swords. Always treat others better than they treat you. When someone turns to you with his need, it becomes obligatory upon you to help him. Do not lose hope and nor be sad. Whoever taunts other for something is himself affected by him. No one shows companion like the sincere friend. If you would like Allah to increase your lifespan, then please your parents. Eat when you desire and stop while you still desire. When one door closes, 1,000 other doors will open. Be good to your parents and your children will be good to you. Help and you will be helped. The one who sleeps more will have disturbed dreams. There is no victory for the one who has no patience. Sorrow makes a man old before his time. He who knocks Allah's door, it is opened for him. Whoever leaves his matter to Allah, He resolves it. Know that God is more kind to you than you are to yourself. The passing of days bring the benefit of experiences. Reduce your diet to reduce your illness. Know that God is more kind to you than you are to yourself. This life is only a test. Sit with poor and your gratefulness will increase. Give the needy before he asks. If you spend your wealth for the sake of Allah, then indeed Allah is quick in the recompense. When you speak, be truthful. Forgiveness is the best victory. Thanks viewers for watching our video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you get all our videos quickly.